Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hernanda Dewi Saputri. This is my final project video in a sociolinguistic course, and for this occasion, I wanna talk about code mixing and code switching. For the first one, what is sociolinguistic? Sociolinguistic is the study of the relationship between a language and society. It is concerned with how language use interacts with or is affected by social factors such as gender, ethnicity, age, or social class, for instance. And sociolinguistics are interested in how we speak differently in a varying social context. Code mixing is the use of two or more languages by putting in or inserting linguistic elements in one language into other language consistently. Code mixing is mixing codes in one sentence that every codes have relation each other in that sentence. There are types of code mixing. The first one is intrasentential mixing. Intrasentential mixing may range from the alternation of single words, phrase, to clauses within a single sentence or utterance. The second one is extrasentential mixing. Extrasentential mixing occurs between sentences because it occurs at sentence boundaries. It requires less complex syntactic interaction between two languages involved in code mixing. Well, I wanna give example code mixing from video YouTuber sis Naila Farhana.
Hey guys, di video ini aku pengen ngomongin gimana kalian bisa belajar bahasa asing seperti Vicky Naki. Kalau misalnya kalian udah lama follow aku, kalian pasti tahu kalau aku itu nggak pernah ngomongin video-video yang lagi viral di Indonesia. Tapi ini pengecualian karena ini memikat aku banget, karena ini viral karena dia bisa belajar berbagai bahasa asing. Dia bisa fasih banyak bahasa asing dan aku suka banget. Dan of course, ini aku harus ngomongin dong. Nah, ternyata Vicky Naki itu bisa ngomong dalam 4 bahasa. Jadi dia itu bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris, bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Rusia, bahasa Romania, dan sekarang lagi belajar bahasa Spanyol. Dan menurut aku ini interesting banget karena aku sekarang juga lagi belajar bahasa Spanyol. So I think it's really fun to see another YouTuber doing it too, and he went viral. Dan
well, that's all about definition, types, and example from code mixing. And now we're going to code switching. Code switching can be defined as the use of more than one language, variety, or style by speaker within an utterance or discourse, or between different interlocutors or situation. Code switching is changing one code to other codes, from words that have full meaning to other words that have full meaning also, but in different codes. There are 3 types of code switching. The first one is intersentential. In intersentential code switching, the language switch is done at the sentence boundaries, words or phrases at the beginning or end of a sentence. This type is seen most often in fluent bilingual speakers. The second one is intrasentential. In intrasentential code switching, the shift is done in the middle of a sentence with no interruption, hesitation, or pauses to indicate a shift. The speaker is usually unaware of the shift. The third, extrasentential or tag switching. This is the switching of either a single word or a tag phrase or both from one language to another. This type is common in intrasentential switch. It involves the insertion of a tag from one language into an utterance in another language. So, who use code switching? Code switching occurs mostly in bilingual communities. Speakers of more than one language are known for their ability to code switch or mix their language during their communication. So, let's check again video from Naila Farhana. In that video, she not just did code mixing, but also code switching.
hobi. Pertama, Vicky Naki emang suka belajar bahasa. Di beberapa videonya, Vicky Naki itu emang bilang kalau dia itu emang suka belajar bahasa. Like, he likes to learn languages. Dalam komunitas polyglot, di mana banyak orang-orang yang bisa ngomong berbagai bahasa, ini adalah sesuatu yang sangat common gitu. It's very common for people to like learning languages. Tapi buat orang-orang yang nggak kebiasa akan hal ini nih rasanya tuh wah banget gitu. Dan keseringan kalau ditanya, kok bisa ngomong 5 bahasa? Like, how did you learn so many languages? Like, how did you speak so many languages? Pasti dibilangnya, I don't know, I just like languages. Sebenarnya sama kayak aku juga. Kalau misalnya aku ditanya, kok lo bisa ngomong 4 bahasa? Pasti gue bilangnya, nggak tahu, gue suka aja. Like, I don't know, I just simply like it. Dan menurutku ini adalah hal yang penting untuk bisa mencapai sesuatu. Nggak cuma belajar bahasa asing doang, tapi dalam berbagai hal. Ada orang yang hobi main gitar, main game, nyanyi, masak gitu. Dan dengan sering melakukan hal itu, dia pasti lama-lama akan meningkatkan skill.
That's all my explanation about the card mixing and the card switching. Apologize me if any mistake from me. Thank you for watching this video. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.